Maxmunus presents JDA Sales and Operations Planning Training. Hello all, I am Diya here, the Career Counselor at Maxmunus, ready to empower your career journey and discover new opportunities. Today I will guide you through our JDA Sales and Operations Planning Training course, which provides a thorough exploration of both fundamental and advanced concepts. Whether you are looking to master the basics or delve into more complex aspects, our course is designed to meet your needs. We offer a highly personalized training experience, tailoring each session to fit your specific goals and project requirements. Whether you are an individual looking to enhance your skills or a company needing to align the training with strategic objectives, we adapt the content to ensure it's both relevant and effective. This customized approach ensures that you gain the precise knowledge and skills needed to excel. Here is the agenda for what the trainer is going to cover in this JDA Sales and Operations Planning training video. Here we covered the video's introduction, Sales and Operations Planning Methodologies, 6 steps of the Sales and Operations Planning process, common challenges in Sales and Operations Planning, advantages of Sales and Operations Planning, then its course content, certification and the required prerequisites, its delivery formats, why one should choose Maxmunus as a trainer, then what jobs are available for JDA Sales and Operations Planning, Maxmunus Introduction, advantages of both corporate and individual training, conclusion, and finally we have the contact details. Now let's begin. First, let's understand the core of our training. What is called JDA Sales and Operations Planning? Let's explore. Sales and Operations Planning is a unified process that synchronizes demand, supply, and financial planning within a company's overall master plan. It is developed and implemented to aid executives in making decisions that approve a practical and profitable material and financial strategy. The main goal of the Sales and Operation Planning process is to predict what your customers will buy and assess your ability to meet this demand. Additionally, the process aims to align these plans with financial objectives. This may involve adjusting financial targets, but there are also various strategic options available to the organization to either boost sales or reduce costs. Next we have Sales and Operations Planning Methodologies. The Sales and Operations Planning process can be approached in two distinct ways, depending on your organization's specific circumstance. First one we have top-down planning. This method centers around a single sales forecast, with management developing strategies and allocating resources based on this prediction. And the second one, bottom-up planning, used when manufacturing schedules are variable. This method builds plan by evaluating the requirements for producing specific products or services, rather than relying on a predefined sales forecast. Here we have the 6 steps of the Sales and Operations Planning process. First one, gather and manage data, that is forecasting. Demand planning, production and supply planning, pre-sales and operation planning meeting, that is planned reconciliation, executive sales and operations planning meeting, and final one, implementation. And also we have steps overview. Gather and manage data. Teams collect past sales, trends, plan success rates and accuracy data for forecasting involving sales, marketing, operations, logistics and finance. Demand planning. Accounting adjusters forecasters for variability. Creating a demand plan with customer service policies, promotions and new launches. Production and supply planning. The head of supply creates a supply plan covering inventory, safety stock, production methods and capacity risk based on the demand plan. Pre-sales and operation planning meeting. Supply and demand plans are reconciled and finance ensures they fit the budget, adjusting plans if necessary. Executive sales and operation planning meeting. Finalized plans are presented for approval, aiming to create an actionable company-wide plan. And the final one, implementation. Department leaders execute the plan with cross-functional collaboration and continuous evaluation. Next we have common challenges in sales and operations planning. Establish consistent, accurate reporting on key demand and supply inputs for decision-making support. Conduct pre-analysis to identify demand or supply changes requiring management review before plan approval. Create concise presentations outlining decision impacts on KPIs like customer service, costers, and revenue. Plan for new product launches, product phase-outs, or adjustments due to mergers and acquisitions. Convert large data sets from multiple systems into actionable insights for decision support and reporting. Let's move on to the next slide. We have advantages of sales and operations planning. Let's see. Enable quicker, more frequent adjustments in the supply chain and sales pipeline to resolve issues in real time. Reduce waste and increase productivity through efficient resource management. Align data points across departments to enhance overall efficiency. Manage inventory and backlogs more effectively to boost customer satisfaction. Identify and address internal and external barriers with simple adjustments to the sales process. Use objective data to establish realistic performance goals across teams. Next, we will dive into the training material for JDA Sales and Operations Planning. The instructor has shared a list of key topics that will be covered during the course. Here are the subjects for your reference. Allow me to go over them for you. Introduction to JDA Sales and Operations Planning. JDA Sales and Operations Planning Platform Overview. And subtopics we have Understanding JDA software and its Sales and Operations Planning module. Data gathering and demand forecasting. Collecting and managing data in JDA. Demand planning in JDA Sales and Operations Planning. Supply planning and scenario building. Financial integration in sales and operations planning. Pre-sales and operations planning and executive sales and operations planning process. Conducting pre-sales and operations planning meetings. Reconciliation of demand, supply and finance. Sales and operations planning plan implementation. And the last one, advanced features and best practices. The main course materials I have provided are listed here. Now let's explore what you can anticipate from the instructor during the JDA Sales and Operations Planning training session. Next, let's discuss the benefits of obtaining certifications in JDA Sales and Operations Planning. Strengthen cross-functional teamwork between departments like sales, finance and operations. Gain skills to analyze large data sets and transform them into actionable insights for business growth. Stand out in the job market with specialized knowledge in JDA's industry-leading sales and operations planning solutions. Learn techniques to streamline planning process and minimize disruptions in the supply chain. Here's an overview of the prerequisites, detailing who is eligible to participate in the JDA Sales and Operations Planning learning session. Let's explore. Basic understanding of supply chain concepts. Familiarity with demand, supply and inventory management. Experience in sales and operations planning. Prior involvement in sales and operations planning process is recommended. Proficiency with data analysis tools. Comfort with Excel, ERP or other data management systems is beneficial. Next we have the learning formats, that is training delivery formats. Instructor-led training. Classroom-based training with hands-on labs. Virtual instructor-led training. Online training sessions with live instructors. Self-paced online courses. Recorded lectures and interactive exercises are available online. Next comes to why Maxmunus as a trainer. Certified subject matter experts or trainers can tailor instruction to meet specific needs. Professional trainer with extensive expertise, preferably 12 to 15 years in the field. A real-time certified industry expert advisor is available at Maxmunus to provide appropriate certification, advice and ideas. Next we have the career opportunities of JDA Sales and Operations Planning in top countries. There are many job vacancies over the countries like India, Germany and Japan. Next we have the job opportunities of JDA Sales and Operations Planning in top companies. Here we have Accenture, Tata Capital, Marriott, Adidas, HDFC Bank and Designco. What are the job vacancies for JDA Sales and Operations Planning available worldwide? I consider Naukri to be the top platform for job searching in India. Check out the Naukri platform. I have got it ready for you guys. I find out there are presently 28,304 open positions in India. And on-site we have 27,260, remote 588, and hybrid we have 456. You can check it in naukri.com. And the locations we have Delhi, Bangalore, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Pune, Chennai, Gurugram, Kolkata, and many more. We should review the compensation packages offered. The available job opportunities feature salaries ranging from 6 lakhs to 100 lakhs and even up to more than 5 crores. The following companies in India are currently looking to fill JDA Sales and Operations Planning roles include Accenture, Tata Capital, Adidas, HDFC Bank, Design Co, IBM, Info Edge, Marriott, Axis Finance, etc. For those interested in global career opportunities, LinkedIn offers the best resources. Currently we have 1,518 open positions are available for JDA Sales and Operations Planning in worldwide. Back on to the main slide. Let's proceed with an overview of Maxmunus. Why should you select Maxmunus as your training provider? A 15-year-old corporate training and project consultancy business is Maxmunus institution. If we must discuss Maxmunus, we are one of the best firms for specialized technology training in India, the USA, UK, Europe, and many regions of the UAE. Customized training to individuals is the main USP. One-to-one training can be arranged. More than 1,000 corporate trainings have been successfully completed by Maxmunus in countries including Singapore, Finland, Sweden, Germany, Austria, Israel, and India. Moreover, we have received excellent reviews and appreciation from our corporate clients worldwide. These are the leading clients we have delivered JDA Sales and Operations Planning training to across India and globally. Let's move on to the next slide. We have what are the corporate training benefits of JDA Sales and Operations Planning from Maxmunus. According to the needs of the company's project, training content can be modified. We do offer JDA Sales and Operations Planning training at the installation and configuration levels. After training session has been successfully completed, employees may begin working on projects right away with the help of Maxmunus corporate training program. Even you get to pick the venue, the training style, and the schedule that works best for you. Every participant will get certificates confirming they completed the course. Next, let's explore the individual training benefits of Maxmunus. And here are the advantages. Customized training to individuals is the main USP. Implementation and configuration level of JDA Sales and Operations Planning training. Industry-specific subject matter expert trainers for individual projects. JDA Sales and Operations Planning course completion certificate to the candidate. candidates will get to know the details of the certification exam process. Our main advantages: offering personalized training tailored to individuals, led by industry-specific subject matter experts for each project. You will have the opportunity to select a trainer and observe a live demonstration before starting the JDA Sales and Operations Planning instruction. Each participant will efficiently grasp every aspect of the JDA Sales and Operations Planning certification exam process. Then we have the conclusion. As we approach the end of today's session, I would like to emphasize that JDA Sales and Operations Planning offers a systematic approach to align demand forecasters, supply capabilities, and financial objectives. By combining top-down and bottom-up planning methods, JDA Sales and Operations Planning streamlines processes, optimizes resource allocation, and boosts efficiency. The training equips participants with skills to synchronize demand and supply, improve resource management, and make data-driven decisions, ultimately enhancing performance and customer satisfaction. Next, we have the contact details. Ready to join our JDA Sales and Operations Planning training session or have any questions? Kindly contact us using the phone numbers below or connect with us on WhatsApp. For email inquiries, drop us a line at contact@maxmunus.com. You can also connect through the URL in the description box. For immediate support, use the live chat feature to send us a message and our team will quickly provide you with all the details you need. So join us as soon as possible for excellent career progression at JDA Sales and Operations Planning. I sincerely hope you will adore and savor the entire JDA Sales and Operations Planning course with Maxmunus. Our key responsibility is to ensure candidate satisfaction. Thanks for watching.